Day in assembly at the bike rack once again. We have a variety selection of bike builds. Adults, toddlers, kids, and adults. Not too bad. About 20 total in assortment. And so for this rack to get filled for potential purchase, to replenish what's being sold, let's go see what we have to work with to replenish the bike rack. Alright, in the bike assembly area, we need 18s, 24s, 26. That's what's missing on the bike rack. 18s, 16s, 12, kids. 24s, mountain bike kids and adults. And also maybe a couple of cruisers. Ample amount of 20s, so we don't need to worry about building 20s, BMX freestyle. We got pretty much what we need here. Let's get started. We got it done. 17 bikes to restock on the bike rack. From 20s to 24s to 26. Adult multi-speeds. Looks pretty jammed and crammed in here, but keep them safe until they get on the rack. What a lovely day.